Hi everyone, just wanted to take a moment to go over converting between standard form and slope-intercept form, as that is something that you're going to come across many times, in particular when you're dealing with particular applications of lines and things like that. So again, as a reminder, standard form, that's of the form ax plus by equals c. Sometimes you'll see the ax and the by kind of flipped around. Doesn't make a huge difference. But our goal is to get it in this form, the y equals mx plus b. And I think that's just because you're a little bit more familiar with y equals mx plus b, and you know how to find the slope easily and things like that. So that does make it very useful for parallel and perpendicular lines because you have the slope right there, right? All right, so what do we need to do in this one? Again, we need to get it in the form y equals something. So the only thing we ultimately have to do is get the x over onto the other side. So we're just going to add it, plus 6x plus 6x. And ultimately, your final answer is going to be y equals 6x plus 9. So that one's pretty straightforward. Shouldn't be anything crazy on that one. All right, let's do a new problem. Okay, so this one's a little bit tougher, right? We still have to get it in the form y equals something. So I am still going to subtract the 3x from both sides. That's going to be your first step pretty much every time. You just subtract whatever the x term is to the other side. Or if it is negative, you'll add it to the other side. Is equal to negative 3x plus 14. Now we need to divide everything by 2. Okay, divide everything by 2. I can't do anything with negative 3 over 2, so I'm going to leave it as is. So y is going to be equal to negative 3 over 2x, and then 14 divided by 2 is 7. All right, so that's all. Let's do another one just to make sure we're all set. Okay, so let's do this one. So again, we got to get the x term to the other side, so I'm going to add the 8x to both sides. So 6y equals 8x plus 54. All right, so divide by 6. Again, we're just dividing by 6, divide by 6. Now y, 8 divided by 6, you can't actually simplify, right? They're both divisible by 2. So 4 over 3. Okay, so 4 over 3x. And then 54 divided by 6, that's just 9. All right, so ultimately that's all we're doing. And we just need to make sure we're pretty comfortable with that because now we can easily identify the slope, right? Now I can easily see that my slope is going to be 4/3. So I could then find the parallel and perpendicular slope from there. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.